do I have a treat for you? This is the hallway. It is a villa, and coming in, you automatically feel the fresh air with like some good smells and air conditioning. And I got this on wide view right now because it's a huge room. The ceilings are super high. So right when you walk in, we got the espresso and coffee and waters, snacks. She was saying that the waters and the espresso and tea are complimentary. The bar and everything is extra. Upon arrival, they give you a free drink. What's this? Oh, is this a milk frother? It is. There must be milk inside this fridge here, which everything is extra here. They got all the beer and wine that you would like. M&M's, candy in the fridge, chips, Pringles. Down there, there's milk and juices. Let's see what kind of stuff is in here. Oh, then we got the cups and plates. I'm being nosy here. That's empty. Everything's, safe. All right, so when you walk in, you're greeted with the sounds of music and then, of course, advertisements. And also, we have our plates and bowl of fruit and a complimentary cake for us. Let me see. It says the date. It's like that's sugar. It's not our honeymoon, but that's awesome anyways. And I guess this is like supposed to be like a villa. I don't know. That's a ladder. So a cool cake that's supposed to look like something, a structure. Then you got your Mayakoba literature right here. And what everybody's been waiting for is the whole room right here. Beautiful bed. And then you got your Bluetooth incense and forgot what this is called. I think all of that is to deter mosquitoes. The table here with the 2 chairs, bench, and then an extra bed over here with this really cool, extra lounge pillow thing, beach blankets that we will use later. On this side of the bed, we have something to do notes and spa menu. Here we got a full-length mirror with a seat that looks like it's just decoration. Cool lamp. Decorations on the wall are really awesome, and then those drapes are cool. We got some lighting above the drapes over there. This fan is kind of camouflage, it's like a wooden fan. And the ceiling's all wood too, which is awesome. Both sides of the room, you could enter into the bathroom. So this side is the closet. We have all the shelving here, extra pillows. Oh, I think those pillows you can put outside on your own couch out there. Robes. I'm pretty sure these are slippers. Let's take a look at how these slippers look. I'm curious. Okay. I'm curious to see how these slippers look. Oh, there's like several. Oh, they're pretty basic. Oh, in each one, okay. In each one of these, there's flip-flops and slippers. So, for inside the hotel and for outside on the property or on the resort. This, they gave too at arrival. It's like a bracelet, a cool bracelet actually, with like a flower on it. It's really beautiful. The robes are really cool too, different colors. More beach blankets, more closet space, and we got emergency stuff here. She said there's not many mosquitoes this time of year, but it's still here. What is this? This is natural stuff. I guess this you plug in, and this goes in there to deter mosquitoes. This is probably a citronella candle to deter mosquitoes with the matches. Okay, I'm pretty sure in different times of the year, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Tote bag you can use while you go to the beach, and some umbrellas. And let's step outside. Step outside this way, you can feel it's immediately warm. Oh, some sort of bird just flew away. Got this lounge chair. We got a shower here. Let's turn this on so we can see. Oh, all right. So it's collecting up there, and once it's all collected, it comes down. Pretty awesome. Let's turn that off, and then we have, this is a hot tub out here, and then we got some bath salts, bath oil, and bath foam. Oh, you could just make this a whole big bubble bath if you want to. Okay, so since we entered this outdoor area from here, let's see if this is open. It's not. Let's go back in. Oh, I guess these are lights for the outdoor too that you can turn on. Maybe right there by the vegetation. Okay, stepping back in is nice and air conditioned in here. Oh, I'm trying to close this. Okay, and in here we just got storage. All right, coming into the main area of the bathroom. Oh, first we got the steamer, ironing board, and then probably more storage. Oh, okay. Oh, ponchos for when it rains. These are some serious, I think these are ponchos. Yeah, some serious ponchos here. Laundry bag, dry clean bag, and maybe, oh, swimsuit bag. Cool. They thought of everything here. And we have a hamper, blow dryer, mirror, and then waters by the sink here. Kind of brand is that? CL? These are cool little cups, bathroom cups, and then these sinks is like stone carved. Pretty cool. Soaps, and we got lotion, and in here are the toiletries and everything you might need, from cotton swabs to a loofah, another loofah, toothbrushes. Let's see how these toothbrushes look. These toothbrushes. All right, we'll put that back here. But that's pretty cool. They got this thing to kind of hide everything. And then a ton of towels over there. Oh, you got a bottle opener to crack these bottles of water open, and then another cup right there. Towels for your hands, tissues. Okay, so you come here. I'm pretty sure this is the toilet. Yep, the toilet got some translucent window right here, and some lighting in the back. Pretty cool. They even got their Banyan Tree sticker, and then some sanitary bags, wastebasket. What's that? To plug your computer. Oh, that's like an Ethernet cable. It's dated, a little dated, but these walls are pretty awesome. Floor rug, and then she said this also can be a steamer, so you can. Oh, okay. So you could make this a steam room with these controls right here. We got your salts and everything you need to take a bath, and a seat right there for you to sit while the water comes down onto your head. And I'm sure the steam comes from there. And then you have your handheld right here. And then if you unlock this, we are back out here in this shower. So you can take your outdoor shower after soaking in your tub. Look at this cool bamboo right here. And then you could come inside here and do your steamer. Lock this. And step out here. Oh, you even got a seat right here with the vanity. So far, this bathroom is an awesome bathroom. And we're moving back into the main area. Check this out. Okay, this isn't just decoration. You can do this. You can come here and then slide this over, and then your TV, and then you got this cool shelf lighting artwork piece here. It's like some sculptures of toy boats and chess pieces, and your TV disappears. I love that, because sometimes a TV can be a buzzkill, but for now, let's open this back up and step outside here. And when you open these doors, immediately you see the amazing plunge pool. Plunge pool. And then to the right we have our table. I like how everything faces this beautiful view right here. And then there's these extra walls on the sides that like block off other people. I'm sure this is a citronella candle to deter. Oh no, it's an ashtray. Check out this huge lamp right here. This huge lamp. And you get to look over on the beach. There's a sailboat right there. Okay, so those chairs right there, you see 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then there's a table out there with some outdoor lounge chairs. I think that's all ours. Is that all ours?
Just the furthest.
Oh, the furthest one. Okay, so the furthest one with the table and then the 2 and then the 3 couches, that's our private area to sit, and we can order food and drinks and look out into the ocean and just hang out there with our swimsuits. And then below us, it's the same thing. Oh, I think below us, the people downstairs have this walkway that goes to the beach, which is awesome. But being on the second floor is pretty awesome because we get a cool view and get to see the ocean and the trees at the same time. That was a quick tour. That concludes the tour of the Banyan Tree Villa in Mayakoba. You get to see this area with the 3 tables, and this couch is huge. This couch is huge. So thanks for joining me on this room tour of the villa in Mayakoba. Short video. I'll have another separate video of just random things in Banyan Tree while at this resort. Hope you enjoyed the video. Follow for more hotel room tours and resort and hotel videos. And I hope to see you soon somewhere else in the world. Peace.